everyone, my name is Amberlyn and welcome to my very first vlog here on YouTube. It is currently July 19th and tomorrow I'm going to be summiting Mount Saint Helens, which I am extremely excited about. But the hike that I'm going to be doing is the summer route known as Monitor Ridge and also known as the Ptarmigan Trail according to AllTrails. If you do not have that app, I highly suggest you download it because if you do as much backpacking and hiking as I do, it's really helpful. You can find new trails on the app, you can see reviews from other hikers or backpackers, and you can also download the maps, which is very handy when the trail is not marked and you're hiking through snow or like a lot of loose gravel or bushwhacking. So it allows you to see where you're at on the map at all times. But the hike that I'm doing tomorrow is about 4.5 miles there and back. And in that 4.5 miles, it is 4,583 feet of vert. So it's going to be very steep and I'm just praying that my legs can handle it. But yeah, you do need a permit for this hike, which I suggest getting months in advance, and I will leave some helpful links in the description box below. And now I will show you guys what I'm packing. Alright, so I'm going to be using this 35-liter backpack, a 3-liter Camelback, hat, sunglasses, some gloves in case it gets cold up there, an emergency bivvy, headlamp, first aid kit, MSR fuel and pocket rocket, lighter, sunscreen, lots of food, micro spikes, trekking poles, lens, my DSLR, a cooking pot with utensils, and also a reusable napkin. One more thing I forgot to mention. Since I live in Portland, Oregon, I'm about an hour and a half away from the trailhead, so I think it's 6 right now. I'm gonna drink some sleepy time tea and get a few hours of sleep, probably wake up around 1 in the morning just so I can get to the trailhead early and beat the crowd, but I will see you guys on the road. Good morning, guys. It is currently 2 in the morning, a little later than I had hoped to leave, but I have my bag all packed and I am about to head on the road. So we are at the parking lot about to walk to the trailhead. It is 3:30 in the morning, so I'll see you guys on the trail. Here we are. I am sweating. I think we're finally about to get above the tree line, which is nice. But we have all of that to go. Whew. bit more to go. Oh my goodness, my calves are on fire. We are so close. Oh my gosh, but everyone's passing me. Finally made it to the summit, and it is insane up here. This hike was definitely challenging. The last 1,000 feet were steep, and for every step you took 2 steps back. But we kept our heads up, made it to the top, and the views are well worth it. Alright, so we spent 2 hours up here, and now it's time to sadly head down the mountain. we're just wrapping up with this trail. My muscles are pretty sore. It's definitely not a trail to underestimate. I think even though I wore SPF 50, my face is still a little sunburnt. But it was well worth it. The views were incredible. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And come wander with me in the next one.